What is up, you guys? It's been a week. So I've been out putting the parts on the dirt bike today. Once again, it's Saturday. I'm doing this because efficiency. I'm out doing all this other work. I might as well get all the work done at once, you know? So dirt bike will be done, or dirt bike oil system will be sized up here in about, I'd say 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I'll have the video up today on Saturday, even though this is Sunday Funday. I'll have it up tonight. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. So we're going to go just another quick spin. We're hanging out. Dang it, freaking jacket strings are smacking my helmet, and it sounds obnoxious. There we go. Make sure I got them both in there. And we're off. So just some updates. I dropped this bike. I think I said that in the last video. I dropped it a couple weekends ago. Bent out this clutch lever. I'm sure you can tell. We're making progress on things. I had to put tires on the car, so the house is going to be delayed by at least another month, and we're talking, this is a year out already. So we're trying to get everything taken care of. Lots of work. Work never ends. I go to work, I come home, work. I think I might start streaming our practice sessions from Smash Bros, but I'm not that great at Smash Bros, so streaming it's not necessarily the best idea. So we'll see on that. I'd have to use my Xbox, and it's a pain in the ass to get all that shit set up at once. So we'll see on that. Streams this week will be canceled. All my they're renovating our space at work, and what's it called? Oh, English is hard. It's a little chilly, guys. For the end of April, it's like 50 degrees, I think. For what's it called? No, so they're renovating our space. We had to empty out our offices because, they're renovating everything. So that's kind of a thing that's going on right now. Do we want to go left or do we want to go right? I think we'll go right and find us a back road. Once we wait on traffic. I can't see the time. I'm trying to keep it about 15 minutes so I don't have to edit these videos. All I gotta do is take off the intro of me hurting myself and almost dying. And we're off. Summer camps, I want to go. Oh, dance streams. Ew. I don't want to dance. I want to go to band camp again. Honestly, it's so much fun. Maybe we'll go back through that neighborhood. Oh, someone died apparently. Everyone's going to the cemetery today. Wonder why. Must be a funeral. Yeah, that's exactly what that looks like. Oh, we'll turn on this street. How about that, guys? No through truck traffic. I can live with that. I am not a truck. I am a motorcycle. Now that looks like Chevy heaven. Is that a Ram? No, that was a Chevy. I'm dumb. Oh, this is one of those neighborhoods. They got those big old speed bumps. Hey, look. It's a thief. Mac tools. Tool trucks. The biggest thieves of them all. I thought government was bad. Zoom, zoom, zoom. It's really pretty back here. Always stop. There's only 3 directions, unless they're planning on putting a road in there, but I'm doubtful. And go. Oh no, speed bump. Speed hump? Sounds like something they do in pornos. Hey, someone got the purple potty! Ha ha! Oh, someone's got a little, one of those free little libraries. Those are pretty cool. Good concept. Oh, where do we go? This is a weird intersection. Let's just be clear. Private property. Yeah, we know. Let's go this way. This is a really pretty area. That would make for some great freaking pictures. All those pretty flowers. This road sucks, though. There's a car shop back here? I didn't know that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Lots of old trucks. What are... Oh, hey, it's the car wash that's for sale. And so is the land next to it, apparently. They said that was all a part of it in the listing. I disagree with the YouTube algorithm of videos being 10 minutes. I wonder if that's for sale. I would buy that house. If it's not falling apart. Ew, mud. But, yeah, so just to update everyone quickly, yeah, dirt bike's still coming along. I'm ordering the last round of parts this week. Probably Thursday is when I'll order it. We're still waiting on brake lines. Still waiting on levers, brake pads. Rotors are on. They're installed. So, comes down to when will the back orders end. So, I'll probably send an email next week and say, where are my parts? I want my parts. But we'll see. We will see. Well, alright, YouTube. Y'all have a good weekend, good week. We'll see y'all next Sunday. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the bell to get notifications on when I post a new video. And y'all have a great rest of your weekend.